Hi, I'm Sephera Giron, and I'm going to read a bit for you from The Birds and the Bees. This is from the Leisure edition, which came out in 2002, and now Nikon Books has put out the latest edition in 2012, 10-year anniversary. Chapter 1. It stared at her with cold, black button eyes. She held the gaze as long as she could, until she felt as though she might asphyxiate. Her legs trembled. She closed her eyes and turned her head, counting. 1, 2, 3. It would be gone when she looked back. It had to be. 4, 5, 6. She slowly turned her head back and winked open her eyes. It still sat there, staring at her, watching her, waiting. Waiting for what? She couldn't take it anymore. Even as she walked away, she knew it was still watching her, could feel the blinking penetration of that glare beaming up her back, worming its way into her brain. She shook her head and quickened her step. About half a block or so, she stopped and turned around. It was still there, perched on the bike rack, staring in her direction. Staring at her. No, it's not staring at me. She told herself that, at least. But she looked back, could swear that they met eye to eye, even from half a city block. It cawed once, then spread its coal black wings and flew away. Gabrielle sucked in a deep breath, watched the crow circle once, then disappear. It was ridiculous. It was just a bird. It was only watching her because she was watching it. Nothing more, nothing less. She tried to smile. That was all. And that would be it, too. Except that she seemed to be seeing birds a lot the past few years. Much more than she ever remembered before, even as a child spending long, lazy days in the country at her grandmother's house. It seemed like every day, no matter where she went, there would be a large black bird. Maybe 2, maybe 10, perched somewhere, staring with those beady black button eyes, following her every move. They always felt compelled to speak to her, to caw or screech or shriek.